Boring Company announces Cybertunnel at Tesla Texas factory. The Boring Company TBC officially announced Tesla Giga Texas upcoming Cybertunnel. Elon Musk's tunneling company announced that Giga Texas Cybertunnel will be online by July 2024. TBC's Proofrock 3 broke ground at Tesla Texas headquarters recently after months of preparations and weeks of tunneling. In January, the company's latest tunnel boring machine TBM, Proofrock 3, was first spotted near Tesla's Giga Texas. It took some time for the Boring Company to assemble Proofrock 3, but once it started digging, the TBM tunneled straight through Pickle Parkway to Giga Texas. TBC shared a time-lapse of Proofrock 3 emerging at the other end of the tunnel, which will most likely connect to a Giga Texas station. TBM retrieval inside buildings has awesome applications for loop, can pop up in parking garages, factories, convention halls, and even hotel lobbies, the tunneling company said in its X post. TBC's X post teased the company's other projects, specifically the loops in Las Vegas. Recently, the Boring Company celebrated a milestone, giving rides to 2 million passengers in its LVCC loop. The Las Vegas Convention Center LVCC loop runs throughout the 3 halls of the city's convention center. The Boring Company is currently working on expanding its Vegas loop, a tunneling network that will run throughout the city. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.